You're looking at a real faceless AI funnel, making passive income with zero ad spend, no camera, and no client calls. And here's the wild part, it runs on free tools. If you're tired of gurus selling hype and want the actual systems people are using to make 1K, 5K, even 10K a month with AI, this video breaks it down step by step. This is the AI hustle, and today we're building your first faceless funnel. Step 1, you need a reason for someone to click. That's your freebie, a quick guide, checklist, or template. Ask Claude or ChatGPT. Create a one-page guide for niche that helps people solve X problem. Polish it in Canva. Done. Next, you need a place to deliver that freebie and collect emails. Use ConvertKit for email funnels, free up to 1K subs, or just host it on Gumroad. Keep the headlines simple. Download the exact 5-step system I used to result, free. Now drive traffic with content. This is the AI content engine. Write short, punchy scripts in ChatGPT, like, this 3-step AI funnel is making people 1K a month. Use 11 Labs for voice and Pictory to generate full TikToks, Reels, and Shorts, 100% faceless. Every video pushes traffic to your link. Every click enters the funnel. This is where things scale. Someone grabs your freebie. Your autoresponder sends them 3-5 follow-up emails. Your digital product or affiliate offer is introduced. You're educating, building trust, and selling automatically. You can monetize with your own paid digital products, affiliate links for tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, Canva. Sponsored mentions if you build an audience. This isn't a side hustle, it's a system. Once built, it runs without you. Subscribe to the AI hustle because faceless freedom is the new 9 to 5.